Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tutor. I'm going to show you how to view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. So, let's jump right in. First things first, open your TikTok app on your mobile device. Then, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. Once you're here, tap on this little symbol next to this three horizontal line in the top right corner. This feature allows you to see exactly who's viewed your profile. To turn off this feature, go and tap on the gear icon at the top right of the screen. Here, simply toggle it off, and by toggling it off, it means that I can't see my profile views who's viewed my profile, but in turn you can secretly view a profile without the other person knowing. They won't be able to see that you view their profile on TikTok. And that's it. I hope this video helps you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tutor for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.